Time to do the side skirt. What I do recommend is putting knifeless tape through here. I'm doing it in 2 pieces. One right there, and then I can't really wrap it all the way to the bottom because it's all bad. So I'm just gonna use a blade because I don't care about my paint. It's already trashed. So yeah, I do recommend just putting knifeless tape here. Get this done! Time for me to wrap spoiler. Have to put some knifeless tape down here, all the way over there. I went ahead and put knifeless tape down here, all the way across from here to here, all the way down. I'm putting it on this triangle right here. Same over here. I have to cut off. I'm just gonna reel inlay piece here. Same with the other side. I just went ahead and finished that. Boom, boom. There you go. There's 2 pieces. 1, 2, like that. I made it connect somewhere around here. Up here. Why up here? Because you won't be able to see. You can barely even see it like that. So I'm gonna use this piece for this top part right here. I still need to use the knifeless tape like the other side. After I'm done with that, what I did on the bottom right here was these little cutouts. I just cut it with my blade. Just cause look, you can see my bumpers all messed up. Did on both sides, and then this whole bottom piece is gonna be 1 piece. Just so I have to deal with the curvature. And then this one's gonna be 1 piece, bottom part. This whole top piece from here, I'm putting knifeless tape. Through here, this whole top part will be 1 piece, another piece, and the little grill part will be the other part. So yeah, let me just finish putting knifeless tape on everything. This one I won't show just because it's just a flat panel. Okay, just real quick, I'm using these little squares to put in there, using the razor blade, cutting through there. And why? Because I don't care about this bump for something else. I'd be really careful. I'd use a fresh new blade, and so I could just go over and cut it nicely. If you're good at it, you could go cut over this wrap without cutting the actual paint. I'm just gonna do that, and I'll just trim it off the edges and do the other 2. Just finish that up, and then we'll be back when it's done. And I'm just waiting for my brother to arrive so he can help me wrap the whole bumper. It's been so long that my brother's been right. We're gonna start ripping. What's up, fellas? Dude, you're all happy, but I'm all like shot down because I'm freaking tired. Yeah, I guess so. So I just got back from work because I'm essential. But this guy, if you look tired and beat out, and I just pointed out, I mean, spoiler, somebody broke or somebody chipped off the wrap, so there's even more than that. I left it outside for the sun to post heat it itself, and somebody moved it from where I had it and chipped it. Wasn't me. So yeah, that got me mad. This is 101 inches wide by 30 feet tall. It's enough to do that base part. Okay, so we just went ahead and finished the bumper. We're going to put it on.